Hey there, small business owners. Tired of missing important messages? Let's make communication effortless with robotalker.com, your ultimate automated texting service. Let's go through the 5 reasons your small business needs automated calls and text. 1. Send mass text messages in seconds. Whether it's promotions, reminders, or updates, RoboTalker handles it all with ease. 2. Reach more customers. Texts have a 98% open rate, way better than emails. 3. Cost-effective at just 1.5 cents per text. Budget-friendly for small businesses. 4. Automate follow-ups to boost engagement and drive sales effortlessly. 5. Use it anywhere, mobile, tablet, or desktop. Simple setup, no hassle. Ready to transform your business? Try RoboTalker for just $9. Risk-free. If you don't love it, we'll refund you. No questions asked. Sign up now at robotalker.com. RoboTalker has transformed how we communicate with our customers. It's efficient, cost-effective, and incredibly easy to use, says Sam, a satisfied small business owner. Join the growing number of businesses that trust RoboTalker for their communication needs. Don't miss out on this game-changing tool. Visit robotalker.com and sign up to grow your business today. Imagine confirming appointments with just a text, no more, no shows, or sending out event invites and updates instantly. RoboTalker has made it easy to keep our tenants up to date with payment reminders, building notices, and alerts, says Mark, a property manager. From appointment reminders to school alerts, RoboTalker is the tool you need to stay connected and grow your business. Visit robotalker.com and sign up today, or book a demo to meet the team. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for exclusive tips and strategies to help your small business thrive. Stay ahead of the game with RoboTalker. Thanks for tuning in to the 5 reasons why your small business needs automated calls and texts. Brought to you by the happy team at RoboTalker.